So one more example. In this time we don't have the exact value of the trig function, we have an approximation. Doesn't change anything, we still need to look at finding the angle. So cosine of theta is negative 0.6753, meaning that theta would be cosine inverse of negative 0.6753. Go ahead, put that in the calculator. We'll make sure we're in degree mode. We'll do second function cosine, negative 0.6753. And of course it does give us an angle to a decimal. If we do it to the nearest tenth, that would be 1 decimal place. So theta is 132.5 degrees. If we draw that out, as we need to do, initial side would be here. Terminal side would be somewhere in the second quadrant. It's not immensely important where. This angle is 132.5. To find the second angle, we need to look at cast. And looking back at the original question, we had cosine equaling a negative number. So we need the other quadrant where cosine is negative. It's quadrant 3. It's labeled with a T. But we don't yet know how far to draw that angle in. To do that, to find that, we need this reference angle in here. So to get a reference angle, it was easier than the last example because it was a nice round number of 30. 180 minus 132.5 would give us that it's 47.5 degrees in here. Again, that's not the angle that we're concerned with. We're concerned with the angle that's going to be in quadrant 3, which would be like this, all the way around from standard position. So with theta 2, to get that angle, we'd start with 180. We'd have to add on 47.5. Gives us that angle 227.5 degrees. These are our two answers.